Before you pay that bond, stop. If there's an ICE hold on your case, paying a bond might not get you or your loved one released. My name is Ruth Jean, and I am an immigration lawyer practicing in the United States. Most recently, a lot of families have called us in a panic saying that they've paid the bond for their loved one. So why are they still in jail? Well, here's the truth. If there is an ICE hold on your loved one's case, posting a bond on the criminal case does not mean that they will be released, because once the local jail bond is paid, local officials often immediately transfer the individual to ICE custody if there's an ICE hold, and that individual does not get to walk out and go home. Under those circumstances, they can be picked up by ICE, they can be taken to an immigration detention center, and they can be held without a new bond decision, even though a bond decision was made on the criminal case. Criminal bond does not equal an immigration bond. They are two completely different systems. Criminal bonds deal with state court, and immigration bonds and immigration custody is controlled by ICE and federal law. So what should you do before paying any bond on a criminal case? First, you need to confirm whether there is an ICE detainer. Ask if ICE has already issued a hold on the case, and speak to an immigration attorney. Evaluate whether the bond payment helps or actually hurts your loved one's situation. Paying a bond without first understanding the ICE hold, doing so can cost you thousands of dollars and still leave your loved one detained. So if your family member is detained and they're being asked to pay a bond, pause before doing so. Understand what the legal ramifications of doing so may mean and what the practical aspects of paying the bond may do to your loved one's case. Now, remember, this information is not legal advice on your case. It's for informational purposes. However, if you'd like legal advice on your case, you can call us for a consultation at 954-278-9332, 954-278-9332. Thank you.